The ancient drum calls, rise up, tear down the walls, echo, echo, it shakes the ground. Hear the truth in its sacred sound. Mountains crumble, the stars will fade, but the rhythm stays, it cannot age. Wisdom dances in every beat. It lifts the fallen, it guides our feet. Do you hear it? The pulse of time. Do you feel it? The heart's own rhyme. Echo, echo, the ancient drum calls. Rise up, tear down the walls. Echo, echo, it shakes the ground. Hear the truth in its sacred sound. The drum speaks of freedom. The drum speaks of pain. It sings through the drought. It sings through the rain. A voice of the past, yet it leads us ahead, guiding the living and mourning the dead. soil is strong. The earth hums a timeless song. Through the struggle, we belong. Rain falls soft, but it carves the stone. Each drop whispers, you're not alone. Life keeps turning, seeds are sown. Blessings rain down, feel them flow through the pain. Let the wisdom grow. Every storm has a light to show. Blessings rain down, let it glow. Rise, but they start as dust. Time will teach you when to trust. Love's the anchor, not the rust. Stars shine brighter in the darkest skies. Truth hides quiet, but it never lies. Open your heart. Let the spirit rise. Blessings rain down, feel them flow through the pain. Let the wisdom grow. Every storm has a light to show. Blessings rain down, let it glow. Chalice, smoke, high to the skies. Carry my dreams where the truth never dies. Chalice, smoke, rise, wisdom in disguise. Open my heart where the soul never lies. Ooh. Ashes fall, but the fire's still burning. Every step forward, the world keeps turning. My roots are deep, my branches wide. The journey's long, but the stars are my guide. In the shadows where the cold wind bites, I found a spark, it burns so bright. Truth is a river, but the dam is high. What flows beneath could touch the sky. Dreadlight rising, shining bold through the fire, through the cold. Dreadlight rising, hear it say, there's a better road, there's a brighter day. Chains of doubt, they held me low, but roots will crack the hardest stone. Wisdom whispers in the quiet night, fear will crumble, wrong turns right. Oh, the mountain's steep, the valley wide. But faith can carry, faith can guide. Dreadlight rising, shining bold through the fire, through the cold. Dreadlight rising, hear it say, there's a better road, there's a brighter day. Every seed must break to grow, every tear will help you know. The sun will rise, the rain will fall, but love, it conquers all.